How to clear cache in Google Voice app. First of all, open your device settings, scroll down and tap on apps or apps and notifications depending on your device. Find and select Google Voice from the list of installed apps. Next, tap on storage. Here you will see two options, clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear cache to remove temporary files stored by the app. This won't delete your account or personal data. It only removes unnecessary files that may be slowing the app down. If the app is still not working properly after clearing the cache, you can also try clearing data, but remember, this will reset the app and you will need to sign back in. Clearing the cache regularly can help fix loading issues, improve performance, and free up storage space on your device. Now you know how to clear cache in Google Voice app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.